In front of me is Realme 5i, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on this phone. So at first, just open the camera app and make sure that you are in photo mode. Now click on settings icon, and here you will notice timer. So just click on it and now pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me choose, for example, 10 seconds delay, and from now on you can grab picture with 10 seconds delay. So at first you will be able to see the countdown, and afterwards the picture will be grabbed. Just like this. Obviously, when you want to turn timer off, just mark timer, pick off, and as you can see from now on, you can grab a picture right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.